Blackluster Soldier!
Your time's run out, Yugi. Next turn, I eliminate the remainder of your life points.
I play Karibo!
Oh. It's the attack of the giant three-toed hairball. I draw this one card and that will end my turn. But soon, you're gonna be history.
Well, Mai. You've put up a good fight, but now the duel ends.
Huh?
Starting with this card, Blackluster Ritual!
What?
Watch, the Blackluster Ritual works by sacrificing all of the monsters I have placed on the field. Combining the energies of my two separate monsters. And the forces of light and darkness intertwine, opening the gates of chaos, bringing forth...
Oh no!
the Blackluster Soldier!